I'm Sarah. I work at the Development and Strategy Units of SMART, and SMART is a cooperative of freelancers that use this shared enterprise to develop their economic activity. And we allow them to access also not only our tools, but also the status of salaried workers so that they can access more social protection, even though they are freelancers.
Great, thanks, Sarah. I think probably what we're going to do is go through and let everybody introduce themselves, and then we'll start throwing questions. I was sitting here thinking about, should I hit you with your first question now? But I think maybe we ought to go ahead and introduce everybody first. Hector is with us from Included. Hector, can you introduce yourself?
Hey everybody, I'm Hector. I'm the founder of Included.co. Essentially what we do is we create shared buying power, and by doing that we can deliver valuable member benefits into co-working, freelancer, gig economy communities pretty much all around the world. And I'm super excited to be part of this. I mean, I started my career as a freelancer in Europe. I'm currently sitting in not so sunny New York early in the morning, and I'm happy to be part of this. I'm looking forward to the rest of the conversation.
Thanks, Hector. Can we move to Brian King of Toptal?
Yes, thanks, Jeannine. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Brian.
So I work for Toptal. Toptal is a network connecting the world's top talent with leading global companies. I'm Europe community lead, so I engage with our extensive talent network throughout Europe. Before I was a community manager, I was a software developer, a freelance software developer for 15 years. So I'm well aware of a lot of the pain points that people have, but also I've experienced a lot of joy in freelancing. So happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now we have the other Brian. We have Brian and Brian. We have Brian Carey from Cowork. Hi, Brian.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, I thought Brian was an Irish name, all right, and I think the other Brian is also Irish, if I have my accent correct. So yeah, I'm the founder of a co-working space in Ireland called Cowork, up there. What we're doing in Cowork is we're looking at creating and fostering a freelance environment in regional areas. So there's a big pull in Ireland towards urban environments, be it Dublin or the other cities. And what we're looking to do is provide space for people who want to work in lower cost environments, be they in towns or in villages outside of those main urban spaces. So we've got our first here in Mallow, a town in Cork. And we're looking at phase 2 and 3 in other towns at the moment. I've also worked as a freelancer. I worked for the last 2 years as a freelancer, a slasher, as we call in Ireland. So I was a freelancer plus a founder plus a few other things. And yeah, I have a lot of experience in this area. I also have it from the other side. I worked 10 years in an oil and gas company, so a corporate environment, so I can see the pros and cons of both sides. I think what was particularly interesting on the presentation that was given was pros that were given from freelancers. So having flexibility in terms of time, having flexibility in terms of what they work on, and having flexibility in terms of location. I think that's a big benefit to being a freelancer. I think that one of the downsides, I think, of being a freelancer, and it's what's particularly interesting with this discussion, is the collaboration side. So sometimes I think freelancers can feel a bit isolated in the work they're doing. And so collaboration, I think, is very important, not only for value to the business, but also I think for the mental health maybe of freelancers themselves. So I'm looking forward to the discussion.
Thank you, Brian. And I think the last one, if I've got my list right, we have Laurin Sepoetro from Uber.
Hi, everyone. I hope you can hear me, and I hope you can see me. I'm not sure if my Wi-Fi connection is stable. My name is Laurin. I'm covering public policy for the EU for Uber here in Brussels, and I'm leading the thinking of Uber on the future of work. As you may know, Uber is a platform that works with professionally licensed independent drivers across the EU. And a substantial part of that is actually drivers that have other freelancing activities on the side. And this is where we are actually expanding our thinking on how we can actually offer more access to skills improvement opportunities, social protection, as a value proposition of you for using our app. So I'm really interested to hear from everyone experiences, and very excited to partner for this European Freelancers Week. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Laurin. Yeah, I never thought of that connection with Uber. I look forward to talking about that later on. All right, Alex. We got you now, Alex?
All right, is this any better?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh,
Tell
okay.
me about E-Residency, Alex. I'm dying to know.
I had to switch to a different pair of headphones. So yeah, you know, Estonia is often called E-Estonia, so sometimes we have to live up to our name. So thanks to everyone for giving me another chance to speak. As I mentioned, my name is Alex Wellman. I'm head of marketing here at E-Residency. E-Residency is a program from the government of Estonia that allows anyone to get a government-issued ID card, which can be used to set up a company, access different services here in Estonia. And one of the biggest reasons why people sign up is because they want to set up a company in Estonia and run it from anywhere. So we have lots of freelancers from inside of Europe and around the world signing up for this program. So this is our second year supporting European Freelancers Week, and I'm really excited to be here and participate in this panel.